Hello everyone, welcome to the Yarn Bowl. Today in this video we're gonna see how to crochet this super cute and easy crochet earrings, the Dahlia earrings. This earrings just looks beautiful in any color made. And now let's see how to crochet this cute earrings. And if you want a written pattern of this beautiful earrings, it is available in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So for crocheting these earrings, I'll be using this colored bird yarn, my recent purchase from Amazon, and 1.25mm crochet hook and scissors. And for round 1 we will be working a magic ring, and then we'll go ahead work chain 3. This chain 3 is considered as my first double crochet, and then I'll go ahead work one more chain, which will be my chain 1 space. Then I'm going to work 11 double crochets followed by a chain 1 space, that is I'll crochet 1 double crochet and then chain 1 and then another double crochet, chain 1, 11 more times. So we will have 12 double crochets within between chain 1 spaces. So once this is done, I'm going to work a slip stitch on top of my starting chain 3 to close this round 1. So before working the slip stitch, we are going to tighten the magic ring, and then after working the slip stitch, we'll go ahead secure the center of the magic ring with a knot. So go ahead work 11 more double crochets followed by a chain 1 space. So at the end of this round, we'll have 12 double crochet stitches within between chain 1 spaces. So go ahead work round 1. I'll meet you at the end of round 1. So now round 2 is going to be a little bit trickier. I'm going to work a chain 3. This chain 3 is considered as my first double crochet. Then on the next double crochet stitch, I'm going to work double crochet together. So this chain 3 and that double crochet will be together. So like this. And then following that, we will work a chain 3. And in the very same stitch where we have worked our last double crochet, and in the next double crochet of the previous row, we are going to work double crochet 2 together, and then we'll work a chain 3 again. And in the very same double crochet where we have worked our last double crochet, and in the next double crochet of the previous row, we are going to once again work double crochet 2 together and then followed by a chain 3 space. So we are going to repeat this around, and then once we are done with that, we are going to work a slip stitch on top of our starting chain 3 double crochet together. So go ahead, work like this around. I'll meet you at the end of this round. So now I have worked my last double crochet 2 together, and now I'm going to end this round by working a chain 3, and then I will work a slip stitch on top of my starting chain 3 double crochet together to close this round too. So these double crochet together looks like little V's, and before working round 3 I'm going to work a slip stitch on the next chain 3 space, then I will work a chain 3, and then I will work double crochet 3 together. So I'm working my first double crochet 3 together, and then once I have worked my double crochet 3 together, I'm going to work a chain 3 again, and then work a slip stitch on the very same chain 3 space. So this is looking like a petal of our Dahlia earring, and we are going to do this on every chain 3 space. That is, we are going to work a slip stitch, and then we'll work chain 3, and then we'll work double crochet 3 together, and then once again we work a chain 3, and then slip stitch on the very same chain 3 space. So we're going to repeat this around, and once that is done, we'll work a slip stitch on top of our starting slip stitch to close this round 3, and then you can weave your ends. You can fasten off and weave your ends. So continue working like this around. I'll meet you at the end of this round. So now I am going to complete my last petal in the last chain 3 space, and then I will work a slip stitch on the same chain 3 space, and then I will work a slip stitch on top of our starting slip stitch, and then you can fasten off. So our earring pattern is done. I'm just going to fasten off and then weave my ends. So here I have completed my earring. So I have made one more of it with the same pattern for a pair of earring, and it's not very stiff like we do in all our earring tutorial videos. We'll have to stiffen this earring with 1 part glue and 1 part water, mix them up very nicely and air dry it for a day. So I have a link in the description box for a earring tutorial video which shows you how to block your earrings, and then once it is blocked and stiffened, I'm gonna attach the earring hooks to it like this, and our earring is done. So this is such a simple and easy pattern, and it can be crocheted in few minutes, and the only time it takes is the blocking time. And I have made this earring with different colors, the same pattern but different colors. And this earring pattern just pop up in any color that is being made. So try this fun pattern at home and let me know your comments. The detailed written pattern is available in the description. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.